Good Wednesday morning, everyone. We are live on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange with Jim Cramer to break down today's market action. All right, Jim, stocks are up slightly, but it's early.
Yeah, I mean, look, I think that you've got to watch two groups today. You've got to watch the semis led by Micron, and you got to watch the retailers led by MACY'S. Initially, MACY'S seemed to have more legs. One of our actual alerts names, Kohl's, was up very big. Micron does have legs, and you'll see that by watching Lam Research, which makes the equipment for Micron. You got Applied Materials should trade up. This group is a group that is a leadership group, as is the retail market. So those are enough to mount a rally, provided the bonds stay tame, but that may not be possible.
Micron getting some fuel from that RBC market outperform.
I mean, look, they've got an analyst meeting May 21st, and one of the things that people are always trying to figure out is, are DRAM prices peaking? They haven't yet. Second is how low can flash prices go, which is also known as NAND or NAND. And this report says that they're stabilizing. So that's going to be enough to make Micron a buy for a lot of people. And I think that this is really important. A lot of our viewers, I feel like, got hurt on Micron, and I'm telling you now it's okay.
Although we know Micron, as you said, can be a cult stock.
Yeah, well, but yeah, look, Micron is something, if you're involved with Micron, you got to monitor the prices of their different products week to week. But Micron is, when I say it's okay, what I mean is that going into the analyst meeting, you're going to continue to get analysts who want you to like it. So you've got 6 days.
In terms of the broader markets, though, we have some negative headlines. There was that NAFTA story that trade talks aren't going as well.
And I think that what people have to recognize is that everything out of the president today and Washington is bad. We were hoping to get a NAFTA resolution. We were hoping that the president was going to move on ZTE. Now remember, bad for the stock market. I personally feel like ZTE, without a major change at the top, then we've sanctioned something that we shouldn't, which is a violation of our rules about selling technology to Iran. But I do feel that the news out of Washington was good and we moved up, and now it's bad and we're still moving up, and that's a little dicey.
Jim, last night on Mad Money, you had two interviews that really confirmed the strength of the economy. One was CBRE. CEO is not worried about vacancy in New York.
No, and what's amazing is he says it's the tightest 4-year expansion, and it's the tightest, which is really remarkable. Usually at this stage in a 4-year expansion, what happens is there's overbuilding. There is no overbuilding, and that is dramatic and important.
And you saw that Hudson Yards area the other day in New York.
Yeah, and it's just jammed. Well, it's all leased. Welbilt, talking about the machinery that you need to expand restaurants and how business is quite good. By the way, I know from the restaurant business, their stuff's expensive. So it's not like you're talking about toaster ovens.
Welbilt talking about pizza ovens on trucks as they come to you.
Yes, and making all sorts of food in the truck. Anyone who does takeout knows that the freshness can't be an issue. And those trucks, which are done in conjunction with a company called Zoom, seem like a great idea.
All right, Jim, who do you have coming up tonight on Mad Money?
I got PayPal. Now, those of us who are at the teach-in know that this is a very important stock for us in Action Alerts. And also, I've got Tableau Data, which is a company that really gives you I think one of the best views about what is being bought. A very important story.
All right, we'll be talking more about the Action Alerts portfolio in our next video. Yep. And we should remind everyone, if you missed Jim's Action Alerts Plus call yesterday, join the club and watch the replay, Jim, because it was a fantastic hour.
Thank you.
All right, Jim, thank you.